but leyo sikhulumile. But into ekade ngifuna ukungena kuyona ukuthi these days be-surrounda laphana, they were not surrounding just indawo ejwayelekile, they were surrounding indawo abapromiswe yona. Ngamanye amazwi they circulated kuleya ndawo leyana abathenjiswe yona. They had to work ukuthi behambe belalele bengazi nabo ukuthi izathu zikaNkulunkulu uthini, but belalela lo ukuthi balale bezungeza. Cabanga kwindawo okumele uhambe uyobusa kuyona, uNkulunkulu uthi nje izungeze, akasho ukuthi ambongena kuyona. Ngamanye amazwi sometimes mangabe siyongena kumkhuleko thina siyajaha ukufuna leza zinto, kanti uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe akafuni sigere leza zinto, usafuna sihambe siyobheka ama-angles ayo, safanele sihambe siyozungeza ngomkhuleko. Namhlanje ngikhuluma ngomkhuleko okwazi ukuthi uhambe uyozungeza i-situation noma ngabe ungajaha ungena ngekhanda, because uNkulunkulu usafuna i-obedience yakho. Ngoba thina ukukholwa kwethu ngendlela okuncane ngayo, kodwa mase sifuna izinto ezinkulu, sifuna into ezinkulu kodwa sinokukholwa okuncane. uNkulunkulu uyayisho lento lena ukuthi abenze lokho kushiwo kuye. Sometimes ufuna izinto uNkulunkulu kodwa umlaleli uNkulunkulu into ayishoyo, so uyakhoda ukuthi sizungeze njengalamadoda akwazi ukuthi azungeze for 7 days besurrounda bezungeza, which is iform yokukhuleka. We are supposed ukuthi sisugeze sometimes, asibiziwe ukuthi siyongena ngamakhanda ethu. Sometimes siphethe umoya wokuphapha ukuthi sifuna izinto ngaleso sikhathi kuNkulunkulu sayidimenda, but we are called ukuthi sizungeze. We are not called ukuthi senze into eziningi, we are not called ukuthi sesi-cause harm noma sihambe siyothatha ngenkani. We are called ukuthi sizungeze, just ukuzungeza nje kuphela, not into enkulu ngaleyo ndlela, just ukuhamba around. Izinto uyayifuna uNkulunkulu but you fail ukuba obedient. uNkulunkulu namhlanje uyakutshela ukuthi zungeza, just go around, ungasajaha unongena ngekhanda. Zungeza, not ukuthi into eziningi, not ukuthi cha, zungeza. Babehamba for 6 times on the first day, all the way to 6 days. Befika laphana belinda ukuthi solinda asho uJoshua ukuthi asimemeze. Lithi lokho inkathi yasho uJoshua mabememeza bangena laphana baba ne-dominance lapha kuleya ndawo. Akhona ukwenza kwabo amandla kaNkulunkulu ukuthi balalelile. Mabe uNkulunkulu ethi zungeza,